So what to do for Google Ads campaign limited by budget? Okay, what happens exactly is that once you see an error like Google Ads campaign limited by budget, your ads do not run and you miss on your potential uh, customers, visitors, or visitor, whatever is a preference of potential customers, but you can use very visitors as well. So what is the situation like? What exactly is Google Ads company limited by budget? Okay, let me tell you on for instance, one of my client account, in case if you are going to see over here, for instance this client, okay, you can see over here that the campaigns are limited by budget. You can see like this on campaigns limited by budget. Okay, so what happens is that campaigns limited budget in is that the campaign has already utilized the budget and your ads do not work. Okay, because it's a daily budget, and also the Google can go sometimes 20% more than your allocated budget when it feels right. There is a potential customer who's going to buy your product or service, but that doesn't happen every day. So it is actually, the error is due to the lack of the budget. What you can do to get it sorted is actually divide the campaign into different segments to see which one is working well for you, and then put your more budget into that. For instance, because it's a generic campaign and you don't know that when suddenly there was a traffic hike or when suddenly there was a conversion hike. So what you have to do is you have to follow the look ad schedules, go with the ad schedules, work out on your locations, and make and divide this campaign into smaller campaigns. And rather having a single campaign with a big budget, put the budget divided in the small campaigns to figure out what is exactly working for you, and then either increase the budget or put the budget from the campaigns which are not working well for you to those campaigns which are working well for your business. So I hope it's answered. It's a it's a very basic and a very short and quick way to get this sorted is just to increase the budget, and it's going to be eliminated and you won't see this error. But here I'm discussing about the possibilities on the better ways to get this problem sorted. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I hope it answers your question. And make sure to subscribe to this channel, and in case if you're looking to work with us regarding Google Ads, Facebook ads, or SEO management or services, you are more than welcome to hire us. The details are in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.